In this video, I will show you how you can back up your secure folder on any Samsung tablet. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, just tap on Reset. Now on this page, just select Temporary Cloud Backup. And from here, you can back up the data of your tablet to your Samsung account for up to 30 days. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Backup Data. Then tap on Continue. Now from here, just disable all these options and only select Secure Folder. And after you select your secure folder, then tap on Backup and select Backup. Now as you can see, we have successfully backed up all the data of our secure folder to our Samsung account. Just tap on Done. Now this option is good for someone who wants to back up his data for a limited time. But if you want a more permanent solution, just select External Storage Backup. Now for this, you need to connect your tablet to any external USB storage or to a hard drive. Then tap on External Storage Backup, tap on More, and select Continue. Now currently I don't have any external storage connected with my tablet, but if you have connected any USB storage or any external hard drive, the name of the hard drive will be shown right here. Just tap on the name of the drive, then select the secure folder, and after that just tap on Backup. And after you do that, you will back up the data of the secure folder to any external storage. And this is how you can back up your secure folder on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.